Every day, maintenance teams lose time solving problems they've already solved before. Critical failures happen fast. Operations leaders need visibility into incidents, technician availability, and response performance in real time. OnCallGrid transforms repair activity into operational intelligence, revealing trends, downtime, and compliance risks before they escalate. OnCallGrid identifies which assets fail most often and exposes recurring fault patterns across the fleet. GridWatch continuously monitors field evidence to identify assets showing signs of repeat failure. Every repair becomes part of a field-verified ledger, helping teams distinguish proven fixes from repeated failures. Grid surfaces the most relevant repair intelligence ranked by confidence, severity, and field verification. Technicians can analyze faults using asset history or simply capture a photo for instant diagnostic support. The right technician receives the right information backed by certifications, integrity scoring, and verified experience. OnCallGrid preserves maintenance knowledge, reduces repeated failures, and helps technicians arrive already knowing how to fix the problem.